How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, then type in Costco Citi Credit Card login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, citi.com, open it. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. If you haven't applied for Costco Citi Credit Card, you can click on the option of apply now and go through the process. In order to log into your account, go ahead and click on the option of sign on given over here at the top right corner. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your user ID and password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on sign on and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the credit card section and make changes in your credit card. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of activate or register and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Costco Citi Card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.